Huli ka! More chicken cubes. 2 cubes lang, huli ang sarap ng tunay na manok.
Sarap.
Mahuli ka.
Tikim lang.
Huli ang sarap. More chicken cubes. Manok na manok.
Hey, yo, Insan! Gusto mo gang mag-Jolens?
What?
Etex.
Takes what?
Ay, isang taong na sa States eh. Hindi na marunong mag-Pilipino. Kuya, sabi ni Mami, tayo kayo magsa-Jollibee.
Jollibee? Sama ako!
Lasapi ng Jollibee Yum Burgers, ang hanap na langhap sarap, mas juicy, hindi bland.
Hey, yo, better than stateside, ha?
Pagkasarap na rin!
What makes us splash with families? Tuloy-tuloy na saya. Nag-uumapaw na ligaya. At isang refreshing na sorpresa. Tang Iced Tea. May grapefruit taste na love ng mga bata. Ang Tang Iced Tea ay may vitamin C and the only one charged with iron that makes a splash with moms too. Tang Iced Tea. Kids to serve Tang. Sarap at nutrisyon ng Tang. Ngayon, nasa iced tea na.
There's a place somewhere that's dear to you.
When the hurt of love just weighs you down, when you look around for a helping hand, there's someone somewhere who'll smile and say, let's sit and talk a while in the one world.
Celebrating 60 years of warm friendship with you.
Hey, 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 it's okay. I'm coming your way. Saving your day, my own way, my own way. Get the goodness of Bubble Biscuits with sesame seeds, with vitamins to help keep you healthy, active, and free. Hey, 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 it's okay. Just another day. Bubble Biscuits, be healthy, be free.
Isa pang nagbabagang balita. Kuya Bitoy, pasok!
Salamat, Raisa! Tuwang-tuwa ang lahat sa 60th anniversary rollback ng Mr. Donut. Ngayon, ang dating 14 pesos na Bavarian at Choco Egg Donuts, 12 pesos na lang.
Kuya Bitoy, Kuya Bitoy!
Chabi ka, Chabi.
Cute naman, over.
Raisa! Raisa! Ang fan pasalubong na fan araw-araw,
Mas affordable na.
only from Mr. Donut.
And I can't fight this feeling anymore. I've forgotten what I've started fighting for. It's time to bring this ship into the shore and throw away the oar.
Sunday for me.
May bagong umagang parating. May bagong umagang parating. Bagong umaga, bagong umagang parating.
Long for the moment when I see you again. I long to touch and stroke your long black hair. How my heart longs to show you how much I care. All I have is just a memory of you that I can hold on to. All I have is just this luxury of time to wait and think of you, 'cause you'll be on my mind.
Ito, mga anniversaries namin, nakakalimutan niya.
Hindi ah.
Saan tayo unang nag-date?
Sa Jollibee.
Saan kita sinagot?
Eh di sa Jollibee.
Anong branch?
Quiapo.
Kubahaw. Ano food natin nun?
Champ.
Chicken Joy.
Champion.
Dad, wala pang champ nun.
Ganun ba?
Jollibee, kinasabikan, kinalakhan for 20 langhap sarap years.
Ang di ko malilimutan.
Na mahal mo ako?
Ang takaw mo.
Ganda mo, ang ganda mo.
Hello! It's not you! It's the new Lucky Me Spicy Hot Mommy! Sabaw pa lang, kumukuhit ang init! Sumisipa ang anghang! New Lucky Me Spicy Hot Mommy!
Soulmate! Mahal na kita!
Ah!
Love is a picnic. Oh, love is a picnic. Ooh, oh yeah, alright. Love is a picnic. Oh, love is a picnic. Ooh, oh yeah, alright. Love is a picnic.
Honey with a kick of mustard, new from Picnic.
Magpasigla sa lambot bango ng bagong Del Fabric Softener. Ngayon, di lang espesyal na damit kayang pasiglahin, pati na rin regular na labada. Ano man ang isuot, buhay na buhay ang feeling sa presyong kay daling abutin. Magpasigla sa lambot bango ng bagong Del Fabric Softener. Bangong sigla sa anumang labada.
Buti na lang sa biskwit, hindi ka nagkakamali. Sa linamnam at lutong,
Hindi ka magkakamali sa Skyflex.
A beautiful morning introduces 4 hours of chaos, 30 minutes of concern. But you feel confident all day long. You get 24-hour extra protection from new Rexona Cotton Fresh Stick for Women. You feel clean and fresh when you need it most. All-day protection for one sweet moment. Rexona Stick 24-hour extra protection for women from Unilever.
bring me your favorite creature.
Unicorn! Dinosaur! Eagle!
Bring me your favorite cheese!
Have more fun because now Cheesy's made even yummier, and it has the nutrients that help make you an amazing kid.
Cheesy by Magnolia. Que sobrang sarap, que sobrang saya!
Pare, ang sarap ng gin pomelo.
Gin Guya paano sa akin?
Gin orange for me. Basta ako, gin yellow.
Gin yellow?
Of course, itong nagpapasarap ng lahat ng yan.
Guys, lunch. Gusto ko, iba naman. Greenwich Lasagna Supreme. Layers of meaty, cheesy, creamy lasagna.
Iba nga!
Masarap na iba.
Join the amazing Russell Yo-Yo Super Match with Coca-Cola. Get your official Russell Yo-Yos at redemption centers and join the exciting competitions. Win big prizes or look under Coke, Sprite, and Royal True Orange crowns and win instant prizes, including the special Galaxy Yo-Yo free. It's the amazing Russell Yo-Yo Super Match with Coca-Cola. Go for it!
Mukhang oras na para mag...
Ah! Bear Brand Choco! Choco na gatas na choco na may ice! Gatas na choco na gatas na may ice! Choco na gatas na choco na may ice! Gatas na choco na gatas na may ice! Bear Brand Choco na gatas na
ng pagkakaibigan.
Ako'y isang Pinoy sa puso't diwa. Pinoy na isinilang sa ating bansa. Mayaman sa kaibigan, sarap ng samahan. Sa hirap at ginhawa, karamay tuwina. Tayo'y mga Pinoy sa puso't diwa. Pinoy na isinilang sa ating bansa. Kahit kailan, kahit saan, yan kaibigan, San Miguel
Tito Agang, hirap siguro umarte, no? Paano po ba umiyak?
Ganito yan. Mag-isip kayo ng malungkot.
Malungkot?
Kunyari, wala ng Chicken Joy. Yung crispy-licious Chicken Joy. Yung juice-licious Chicken Joy. Wala ng Chicken Joy forever.
Tama na, Tito Agang. Yung masaya naman.
Eh di mag-Chicken Joy tayo! Ngayon din!
Basta chicken ang gusto,
Eh, Jollibee mo!
You'll do anything to get that last morsel of Quake Cake, earth-shakingly delicious chocolate cake with choco filling. Quake Cake, irresistibly intense. Also available with vanilla.
long for the moment when I see you again. I long to touch and stroke your long black hair. How my heart longs to show you how much I care. All I have is just a memory of you that I can hold on to. All I have is just this luxury of time to wait and think of you, 'cause you'll be on my mind. I'll take all my chances until you are mine.
Ito, mga anniversaries namin, nakakalimutan niya.
Hindi, ah.
Saan tayo unang nag-date?
Sa Jollibee.
Saan kita sinagot?
Eh di sa Jollibee.
Anong branch?
Quiapo.
Kubahaw. Ano food natin nun?
Champ.
Chicken Joy.
Champion.
Dad, wala pang champ nun.
Ganun ba?
Jollibee, kinasabikan, kinalakhan for 20 langhap sarap years.
Ang di ko malilimutan.
Na mahal mo ako?
Ang takaw mo.
Mahigit isang buwan pa bago ang bakbakan ni Floyd Mayweather Jr. at Manny Pacquiao. Pero ngayon, todo na po ang promotion ng mga cable company. Sa Aklan, 2 cable TV companies na nag-aalok ng pay-per-view.